In this video, I will show you how to add money to Afterpay. So what you need to do, first of all, you have to create Afterpay account. So if Afterpay is valid in your country, so you will be able to open your account. So after that, when you successfully open your account, in the next step, what you need to do, you have to add the money. So how you can do it? Simply open the Afterpay app in your cell phone and just when you log in, there is option available in store. So what you need to do, you have to click on in store, and in the next step you will find the option pay in store. So when you click on pay in store, so in the next step you have to set up the card. So when you successfully set up your card, so now you have to tab on add to wallet. So when you click on this option, an SMS verification code is sent. Enter the code. So now what you need to do, when you receive the code, you must have entered this code. So now after that, you have to click on the next. So in this way, you can add money to Afterpay.